Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best meat thermometers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the ANDAXIN Meat Thermometer Digital. This thermometer offers ultra-fast readings within 2 to 4 seconds and boasts an accuracy of ±2 degrees Fahrenheit. It supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit displays and can measure temperatures ranging from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a variety of cooking methods like grilling, baking, and candy making. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability, and the large 1.65-inch backlit display makes it easy to read even in dim lighting conditions. The design is user-friendly, featuring an anti-slip grip, retractable probe, and a strong magnetic back for convenient storage. It also has an auto-off feature to save battery life and includes a hold button so you can lock in the temperature reading without staying near the heat source. The package comes with 2 button batteries, a battery opener, and a comprehensive food temperature guide, making it an excellent starter option for home cooks. While the ANDAXIN thermometer delivers solid performance for its price, its build quality feels a bit lightweight compared to competitors. Additionally, while it is accurate, the slightly longer response time of up to 4 seconds can be a downside for those who need ultra-quick readings. Overall, this is a great budget-friendly option for casual cooks who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the ANDAXIN Waterproof Ultra-Fast Meat Thermometer. This thermometer delivers temperature readings in just 3 seconds with an impressive accuracy of ±1 degree Fahrenheit, making it ideal for precision-focused cooks. With IP65 waterproofing, it's durable enough to handle regular cleaning under running water, and its ABS plastic construction ensures it can withstand accidental drops. The magnetic back and hanging hole add convenience for storage in busy kitchen environments. One standout feature of the ANDAXIN thermometer is its lock function, which allows you to lock the temperature reading, so you can step away from the heat and check it later. It also includes a calibration feature, ensuring long-term accuracy. The backlit LCD display is bright and easy to read, even during evening cookouts or in dimly lit kitchens. ANDAXIN provides a 1-year warranty and certifications like CE and RoHS, which add confidence to your purchase. While this thermometer excels in speed and accuracy, its design might feel a bit bulky for users looking for an ultra-sleek option. Also, it lacks advanced features like motion sensing or wireless connectivity. However, for anyone seeking a durable and reliable thermometer with premium features at an affordable price, ANDAXIN is a strong contender. At rank number 3, we have the ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. This thermometer stands out with its 180-degree auto-rotating backlit display, which is ambidextrous and perfect for left-handed users. Its motion-sensing technology automatically wakes the thermometer when picked up and puts it to sleep when set down, conserving battery life for up to an impressive 3,000 hours. The IP65 waterproof rating allows for easy cleaning under running water, and the 4.3-inch probe is made from food-grade stainless steel for safe, high-heat cooking. Performance-wise, the TP19H provides ultra-fast readings in 3 to 4 seconds with a high accuracy of ±0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes a lock function to hold the temperature reading and calibration capability to ensure consistent accuracy over time. The thermometer's magnetic back and hanging hole offer versatile storage options, making it ideal for professional-grade kitchens and avid home cooks. The bright orange color also makes it easy to spot in a crowded drawer. Despite its premium features, the ThermoPro TP19H may feel slightly over-engineered for casual users who don't need motion sensing or an auto-rotating display. Additionally, its higher price point might deter budget-conscious buyers. However, for those who value precision, ease of use, and long-lasting battery life, the ThermoPro TP19H is a smart investment. At number 2, the Ruo Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer takes things to another level with its advanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. With a long-range connectivity of up to 200 feet, this thermometer allows you to monitor cooking progress remotely, freeing you from standing over the grill or oven. It features dual ultra-thin probes that can simultaneously monitor 2 dishes while preserving meat integrity and juices. The Ruo thermometer is perfect for tech-savvy cooks, offering real-time updates, preset temperature alerts, and time reminders to achieve perfect doneness every time. Its fast-charging design provides over 35 hours of use from just a 20-minute charge, or several hours of operation with a quick 1-minute charge. The IP67-rated waterproof probes are dishwasher safe, adding convenience to cleanup. The downside to this thermometer is that it relies heavily on wireless connectivity, which may be a limitation for those who prefer simpler tools or lack strong Wi-Fi/Bluetooth signals in their kitchen. Additionally, its higher price reflects its advanced features, making it better suited for dedicated grill masters or tech enthusiasts rather than casual cooks. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology and effortless monitoring, this is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital. This thermometer shines with its ultra-fast response time of 1 to 2 seconds and high accuracy, making it ideal for quick, precise readings. Its durable IP67 water-resistant design allows for easy cleaning under running water, making it a reliable companion for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The large dial with a bright blue backlight ensures easy readability in any lighting conditions. Whether you're grilling at night or baking in the kitchen, the Alpha Griller's thermometer is multi-purpose, perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. It comes pre-calibrated, but includes a recalibration feature for maintaining long-term accuracy. The package also includes an additional battery in child-safe packaging, along with instructions and a meat temperature chart for added convenience. Its elegant box makes it a thoughtful gift for grill enthusiasts. While this thermometer excels in performance, its plastic build might feel less premium compared to metal body competitors. Additionally, it lacks advanced features like wireless connectivity or motion sensing. However, its lightning-fast readings, water resistance, and practical design make it the best all-rounder for most users. If you want a dependable and easy-to-use meat thermometer without extra frills, the Alpha Griller's is the top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.